Why are students in India so angry? Many students in India take a big exam. This exam helps them get a good job. But this year, many things went wrong. Some exams were cancelled. Some students got the wrong time or place. Some students did not know when to go. The students felt angry and sad. They worked hard to study. Now they do not know what will happen. Many students went to protest. They shouted in the streets. Some teachers went with them. One teacher named Neetu Singh helped them. She talked to the students. She asked the people in charge to fix the problem. The students want exams to be fair. They want the same chance for everyone. They want the system to work.